we have partnered with our colleagues from the prison, Kenya Prisons Services, and also the NTSA, the DG is here, and the CG is here. We have teamed up and deployed adequately across the country. And this to assure Kenyans to enjoy their festivities without any fear. But more so, we also want to partner with the Kenyans in case of any incidents of security concern, report this through the numbers I've given, and also to their nearest police stations. The assurance quick response will be witnessed. I'm looking forward also to get the support from for the state, the media community. We are ready 24 hours. Where you get anything of concern in security, let us know. You know our conducts. We'll be able to work together. Secondly, I will also want to talk a bit about our mandate of enforcing the COVID-19 guidelines by the Ministry of Health. The status still remains the same. We have worked very closely with the members of public so far and for the state. But I would like to remind the Kenyans, the curfew will be enforced this time very strictly.